Furthermore, to prevent the transgression, it is permitted to give halachic judgment even in the presence of one's teacher. So let's see what is the situation. This applies both in actual physical presence and with the radius and within the radius of 12 mil. Okay, so so in some cases he's a teacher and he did not give us permission to render the judgment, right? Or he's in our presence or in a radius of 12 mil. I mean, I guess less than 12 mil. So what is the example? What does the above imply? For example, when one sees a person perform forbidden act because he was unaware of the prohibition or because of his perversity, he should be tried to prevent him by telling him this is forbidden. Okay, so basically one of our obligation as a Jew that we have we're responsible for all other Jews as well as our brothers and sisters. So you cannot say I'm good, I'm religious, I'm such a God-fearing person, and other people let them do whatever they want. Okay, so we must try at least to stop them from doing wrong things. They're going to listen or not, it's a different story, but our obligation is to try to stop them. Commentary. Eruvin 63a relates that while Ravina was in the presence of Rav Ashi, his teacher, he saw a man tie a donkey to the date palm on the Shabbos. At first he shouted at him so that he should know that it is forbidden. When he did not respond, he placed man under the ban of ostracism. When Rav Ashi saw this, he questioned Ravina because the latter action appeared to be disrespectful. Ravina explained that since the transgression was involved making use of the tree on Shabbos, he was obligated to take these steps. Okay, so let's try to understand this example. So one of the prohibition of things that we're not allowed to do on Shabbos, so that there are altogether 39 restrictions, Melachas, and one of the Melachas is tying a knot, professional knot, right, permanent knot, one, and another one is using the tree. So meaning you're not allowed to lean on a tree, you are not allowed to hang your jacket on a tree, or other things. Well, you're not allowed to do this on Shabbos, right? And this rabbi saw that this one of the people would tie his donkey to a palm tree on Shabbos. So he tried to stop him, right? Even in front of this rabbi. So maybe a rabbi was not paying attention. Maybe this, maybe that. So it was his obligation to stop it, to stop the Jew, to prevent him from doing something wrong. Okay, so I mean, maybe the way I see it, maybe until he would get a rabbi and explain what is wrong, and this guy would tie his donkey and leave. By the time they would figure out what to do, so he screamed at him. Okay, no problem. Continue. With Rambam. Continue with Rambam. This applies even if the teacher's presence, and even though one's teacher had not given him permission. So he was at time. Time was in essence. So maybe if he if that person who was tying the donkey to the palm tree would listen, so immediately, so he would be spared of the punishment. Okay, continue. Whenever the desecration of the God's name is involved, no deference is paid to the teacher's honor. 32. Eruvin 63a derives this from Proverbs 22:30, where it says, "There is no wisdom, no understanding, and no counsel against God." So that's it. So when somebody is speaking heresy and speaking against God, against religious, so and you see the other people are quiet, even the rabbi, your teacher are quiet. So of course you can always ask him. I would say if you have time, you're allowed to ask Rabbi, what should we do? Why are you quiet? So can I go and attack this person, right? So you can ask, or if you know what to do, just you're not obligated to ask, because Hashem's honor is higher than this rabbi's honor. Doesn't matter how big he is, but in many instances, I just want to clarify this. Some things are not as it seems there. Like ask Rabbi why he's quiet. What is the problem? Maybe you don't know all of the details, but if it's clear that's what is going on, yes, so you're allowed to act. The teacher's honor stems from the honor of the Torah and the honor of God, right? Hence, all the cases priority is given to the Torah. No, 1 second, it's the wrong commentary. No, 1 second, I apologize. What is it? Whenever the secretion of God's name is well, the deference is paid. No deference is paid to the teacher's honor, 32. So from Talmud Erovim derives this from Proverbs 21:30. There is no wisdom, no understanding, and no counsel against God. The teacher's honor stems from the honor of the Torah and the honor of God, right? So that's so if it's desecration of God's name, so in Torah, so of course there is desecration of the teacher's name. Hence, in all cases, priority is given to the Torah, meaning to Hashem.